Alright, yada though, what's poppin' with it? You already know what it is. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here and I just pulled these out, and my homie Bobby right here just said, "What are these, blunt wraps?" No, bro, they're not blunt wraps. They're edibles.
Oh, they are?
Yeah, edibles. Watch, I'm gonna show you Bobby. Look, this is Bobby, dude. How dare you think these are blunt wraps? I'm about to eat all these. You could try some if you want.
Yeah, they look like shit, dude.
Alright, so look. Dude, we're at work. It's all good. So look, we got some cotton candy ones. Try these ones. And then I already got, these are from Plume. You know what I'm saying? We'll just smack some real quick while I'm at work. These are the blueberry, and then I got some of the watermelon ones. Show them what you're eating, man.
Cotton candy. Delicious.
Cotton candy.
I like it.
This one's like a sour belt. I want sour though. For cotton candy though, it tastes like cotton candy, right?
Yeah, a little bit. What's this guy?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. I think I like the blueberry.
This is watermelon. Sour belt. The blueberry, I got some peach ones at the house. Peach ones are fire. And these are 30 milligrams each. So that's 90 milligrams you just ate. Or that will be. The watermelon's fire though.
And what's this? What's that other kind?
The one that you just now ate? Watermelon. The one that I was
That's
just
really sour.
But that one's fire. You can have another blueberry.
I'm good. I'm good for now. Hello?
Okay, well I gotta eat a little bit more, so.
Yeah, this will be.
Another watermelon, because the watermelon's fire. 2 more, so 90 plus 60, that's 150 milligrams. So I'm gonna get a little high while I'm at work.